Go get it. Go show me. Mason, go show me what you want. Can you tell me?
No.
What do you want over there? Go show me. Where is it? What is it? What's over there? What's up there? Do you want me to get it? No. Does that mean yes? What is it? What is it? Tell me what you want. I see you pointing, but what do you want? What do you want, Mason? What is it? What is this? I just want you to say the word because it's so cute. What is this? What is it? Is it a pacifier? Okay. What, can you say it? Passy? Pacifier? Thank you.